change off of cornbread. Started off short pay, now I'm having long bread. That game shoot crap, loot all, make it back. Take straight to the paint, about to blow a couple racks. I send the pack out.
Hey babes, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video. In today's video we're going to get into this hair that I'm currently rocking. So today we are featuring One More Hair. Big shout out to One More Hair for sponsoring today's video. So let's get into this look. So today we have a burgundy blonde skunk stripe wig. She's a 13x4 lace frontal, and this is a 28-inch unit. She's long, y'all. So for this install I really envision like curls or waves, so that's what I started out doing, and then like I curled one entire side of the head, and then I realized that I did not like the way it looked, so I decided to straighten it and wear it bone straight, and it looks absolutely gorgeous that way. I think it would look good with waves, but the barrel that I used was just too small of a barrel, and that's not the look that I was going for. So you do have a few different options when purchasing this unit. You can get the blonde stripe in different parts of the wig. So you can get it just in the front center, you can get it on the sides, and you can also get this in a body wave or a straight texture. The 28-inch is $300, and that is the same for a straight texture or a body wave texture. So the texture isn't going to change. The price of the unit is basically just the length. As far as construction, this wig does fit perfect. I wear about an average medium cap size, and this fits to the T. So if you have a bigger head or you wear larger cap sizes, I would reach out and see if they have larger cap sizes in this wig. So keep that in mind. I also decided to do a clean hairline on this. I haven't been doing the baby hairs as much lately, and I think this unit looks real good without it, especially if you tweeze it and customize it just right. It looks flawless without any baby hairs. So if you want to see how it turned out, just stay tuned for the rest of the video. Once again, shout out to One More Hair for sponsoring today's video, and I want to shout y'all out for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next one.
I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that hype, throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. A place you cannot say, or you can't go, or I don't know, or back the fuck up off. I get those goosebumps every time, yeah. You come around, yeah. You ease my mind, you make everything feel fine. Worry about those times, I'm way too numb, yeah. It's way too dumb, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time. I need that hype, throw that to the side, yeah. Goosebumps every time, yeah. When you're not around, when you throw that to the side, yeah. I get those goosebumps every time.
I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna press my. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my line, yeah. I wanna take that ride, yeah. I'm gonna press my line. I wanna green like I wanna be like I wanna press my. Mama dear, spare your feelings. I relive a moment, feeling more residual. I can buy the building, burn the building, take your bitch, rebuild the building just to fuck some. I can justify my love for y'all, touch the sky, forgot to stop the dead wall. Put the pussy on the pedestal, put the pussy on the high horse, that pussy to die for, that pussy to die for. Need a pipe or pick the peppers, I can pick your brain and put your heart together. parts the shady parts and party hard. The diamond shows the cool forever. My best shot, you might shoot forever. Like
I get those goosebumps every time you come around,
Mr. Genius Idiot.
Leave me out the comments, leave me out the nonsense. Speaking out of context, people need some content. Niggas trying to keep up, shit is not a contest. Whipping beds concept, heaven sent, God sent. At least that's what my mom says. Proof is in the progress, money's not an object. Busy than a motherfucker, you know how my job get. Barking up the wrong tree, you know how the dogs get. Haven't fallen off yet. Come with a classic, they come around years later and say it's a sleeper. The ears are rare, the petty is rare. I chose my ex for a feature. Deposit the money to Brenda Leticia, Belinda Felicia. She gave me twice, I didn't even know for her once. You know I'm a pleaser. 42 millimeter was made in Geneva. Yeah, I probably should go to Yeshiva. We went to Ibiza. Yeah, I probably should go live with Yeezy. I need me some Jesus. As soon as I started confessing my sins, he wouldn't believe us. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some bills. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with two girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen. From the floor, but I love me a Christian. He on my dick and shit, my little secret. Tryna dish me, blow up my peeping. I can't respond with just do what you people. If I left some rats on the bed, you can keep it. This shit getting deeper and deeper. I dig in my shovel won't be, and I would go ahead and fix it. A shark in the water, you swim with the love it. I hit the day by tomorrow, she miss it. I grab her neck, she look up, then I kiss it. I'm not a goat, but I fit the description. I like the post, so I get the prescription. We walk around with them bears, and I bitch it. This gun ain't gon' jam, and I blow, I ain't missing. I'm dropping hit after hit, I'm just chillin'. But I sit in the hill, I chill with my children. The bigger the business, the bigger the office. I fuck around and found me a strand, and I thought up, they cost my artists. They making me an office, I don't even bargain. I start from the bottom, I lost a Ferrari, Las Vegas, Nevada. I woke up the following day and went harder. I'm cracking my shit, now they see that I'm smarter. I gotta get money, I love to get charter. I gave her 4 burgers and 1 small startup. I can't let them down, walk around with my garter. I'm screaming out YOLO, yeah, that's still the motto. I know I be on some shit that they ain't thought of. Sins, I got sins on my mind and some M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. I'm in love with 2 girls at one time and they tens. That's why I got 10 on my mind. I got M's. Got a lot of M's on my mind and my friends. Yeah, I keep my friends on my mind. Should repent. I need me some Jesus in my life. Amen.
Yeah, Julio made me a fool for you. Now I hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Listen that da-da-da. Listen that ah. All of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and no shit. You a damn drug, yeah. Toxic. All the sex on replay, running back like a DJ. Feel on your face while you eat that, trying to make a bad bitch behave. I would just wait for you, pussy away for you, thinking I would wait for you. And that damn Don Julio made me a fool for you. And I might hit your phone up with that ba-ba-ba. Listen my da-da-da, listen that ah. And all of this love is toxic. All of this love is toxic. All these kisses and hugs and